excuse me. That cat's gonna get it this time. Hey! Whoa!
You're really no help just sitting there. Ow! Watch where you're going!
Right. Sorry.
I don't know why we have those cats around here anyway. All they do is write with their dumb tails.
Okay, here's the plan.
There's no way she's getting away so easily. No, not the water! Sleeve dogs. I hate water.
Sagwa! Sagwa!
Sorry, guys. I have to go, but it sure was fun. Catch you later.
Today is a very important day, Sagwa. Yes, we have a special gift for you.
I love gifts. What is it?
Do you think she's really ready, Nai?
I'm ready.
Yes, I think she is at that perfect age. Close your eyes, Sagwa. You can open your eyes now.
Huh? Where is it, Mama?
Right in front of you.
Oh. Thanks, Nai. Thanks, Mama. I think...
Try it on, Sagwa. Seeing what a responsible young cat you've become, we think the time has come to give you this special gift. That collar has been in our family for generations.
Smells like it, too. Hey, Sagwa! Are we gonna play before it gets dark or what? Thanks again, Mama. Nai.
Sagwa, there's something I have to tell you.
What are you wearing? That has to be the weirdest collar I have ever seen. Be quiet, Sagwa. It's not funny. Oh, yes, it is. Nai said it's really a special collar. This thing isn't just old. Oh, it also itches like crazy.
Ooh, nice collar. Where'd you find it, Sagwa? In the trash? Hey, guys, maybe we should get ourselves some classy collars like that, too. Hi, guys. Can I play? Oh, nice collar. What? Was it something I said?
I've had it with this collar. Uh-huh. And that's the last I'll see of you.
Sagwa, where's your collar?
Well, I don't know. I guess it must have fallen off when I was playing outside.
You should have been more careful, Sagwa.
Sorry, it was just an old collar, Mama.
No, Sagwa. It wasn't just an old collar. It was a very important collar that has been in our family for a very long time. Your mother's right. That collar has been passed down to the eldest daughter for as long as anyone can remember.
Oh.
A long time ago, the first magistrate of the village ordered a special artist to make it for your great-great-great-grandmother. The magistrate thought that your ancestor was so special, so unique in all of China.
Why? What did she do?
She was one of the first scribe cats. And because of her special gift, our special gift, the magistrate honored her with this very collar. Many years passed, and then it was time for me to receive this precious gift from my mother. I was very honored, because it meant that I was mature and responsible enough to take care of the collar and carry on the family tradition. And since your father had no sisters, Nai passed down the collar to me.
Wow, I had no idea.
And now it was your turn to receive the collar. We thought you were ready.
I have to go find it.
Oh, no, you don't. It's late. You can look for it tomorrow.
Oh, what did I do to our tradition? Oh, no! It's not here. Someone else must have found it. I have to get my collar back.
Oh, a sitting and sulking game. Can I play too?
I'm not playing. I'm looking for something.
Oh, looking for treasure, huh? Oh, I love looking for treasure.
It's not treasure, Fufu. Well, I suppose it is a treasure.
What's the treasure?
The collar you saw me wearing yesterday. I got rid of it because everyone was laughing at me. And you know what? It belonged to my great-great-great-grandmother. I'd give anything to have it back now.
Don't worry, Sagwa. I'm here to help.
Thanks. You look for anyone wearing it or carrying it out here while I check inside the palace. Someone dug it up and we're gonna get it back.
Fufu to the rescue!
Maybe somebody found it and just doesn't know who it belongs to. Looking for something, Ink Face? You're the ones who took my collar?
Your collar?
Give it back to me right now. It's a very special collar.
If it's so special, then why'd you bury it? Huh?
None of your business. Wait. You want to know? I buried it because I was embarrassed to wear it, okay? I thought it was just some silly old thing. But it's not. It's really neat and important to me. And my family.
Wow. We had no idea. See ya!
Come back with my collar!
It's your turn to carry it.
I'm not carrying it. It stinks. Give me that collar! Wow!
Oops. Sorry, Sagwa.
Oh, no you don't!
I got him, Sagwa. Come on.
It may be old and it may smell funny, but it belongs to me. Let's go, Foo-Foo. No.
We're in big trouble now.
I can't believe she got us again!
Oh, you found the collar!
Nai, Mama, I didn't lose it.
What?
I buried it because everybody was teasing me. I didn't know how special it really was. But don't you worry. From now on, I will always wear it proudly.
Sagwa, that's what I was trying to tell you yesterday before you ran out. You don't have to wear it all the time.
I don't?
No, just on special occasions.
It does have a unique smell. I remember when I was young too, you know.